Hello everyone and welcome back to English Redo channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm your host, Mrs. Rose.
And I'm Lily. Hi everyone.
Hello, my sweet girl. How are you today?
I'm good, Mommy. A little sleepy, but good.
Sleepy? Did you sleep late last night?
A little bit. I was reading my storybook.
Ah, that's a good reason. Reading is always good. So, Lily, do you know what today's topic is?
I don't know. Tell me.
Today, we're talking about the weather, but not just any weather, a rainy day.
Ooh, rainy days. I love them.
Me too. Rain makes everything look shiny and fresh.
And it makes puddles. I love jumping in puddles.
Yes, I know. You always wear your yellow rain boots and jump splash, splash.
That's the best part.
All right, let's begin. Listeners, remember, you can repeat after us to practice your English. Ready, Lily?
Ready, Mommy?
Looking out the window. So, Lily, what's the weather like today? Let me look out the window. It's cloudy, Mommy. Very cloudy. Is it raining? Not yet, but I think it will rain soon. The sky looks gray. That's right. Gray clouds mean rain is coming. I like the sound of rain. Pitter, patter, pitter, patter. It's peaceful, isn't it? Rain makes the world quiet and soft. Talking about what to do on a rainy day. My dear, what do you like to do on a rainy day? I like to draw pictures, read books, and play with my dolls. That sounds fun. Do you go outside in the rain sometimes? Only when I wear my raincoat and umbrella and my yellow boots. Of course. I remember when you danced in the rain last time. Yes, you said, Lily, you'll get all wet. But I said, it's okay. I'm dancing with the rain. Fun vocabulary practice. Okay, let's teach our listeners some new rainy day words. Ready?
Ready.
Raincoat.
Raincoat keeps you dry.
Umbrella.
Umbrella helps you when it rains.
Puddle.
A puddle is water on the ground.
Thunder.
Boom! Thunder is loud.
Lightning.
Lightning is bright light in the sky.
Perfect, Lily. You're a great helper. Making hot chocolate together. Since it's raining now, what should we do? Make hot chocolate. Excellent idea. Let's tell our friends how to make it. We need milk, cocoa, and sugar, and a small pot to heat the milk. Stir slowly, round and round. It smells so good. Can I add marshmallows? Of course, a few on top. Yay! Now let's sit near the window, drink our hot chocolate, and watch the rain. Talking about feelings and seasons. How does rainy weather make you feel, Lily? It makes me happy and calm. That's nice. Some people feel sleepy on rainy days. Yes, it makes me want to nap. Rain reminds us that every season has beauty. Summer, winter, fall, and spring. My favorite is spring. Flowers grow and everything turns green. Spring rain helps everything bloom. That's why it's special. Let's play a game. Imagine the rain can talk. What would it say? Hello, Lily. I came to water the flowers. That's adorable. What would you say back? Thank you, rain. The flowers will be happy. Beautiful. Now, what happens when the sun comes out? A rainbow! Yes! Can you name the colors? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Wonderful memory! The rain is quiet now. Can you hear it, Lily? Yes, it's soft now. Tap, tap. Peaceful, isn't it? Very peaceful. I feel sleepy. Maybe after we finish, we'll read a book, The Little Raindrop. Yay! All right, let's say goodbye to our friends. Bye, everyone. Thank you for listening. Remember, practice English every day, even when it rains. And don't forget to smile. See you next time on English Redo channel.